Here's how to use your Pampered Chef can opener. Yours is probably white, it's totally fine, it's the same thing. You're going to take the magnet here, put it on the outside, and the gears will clip down on the inside of the can. From here you twist clockwise. And it's going to go all the way around the can. You'll be able to feel it when I can tell I just got back to the beginning. To release, you turn it counterclockwise. And then you can use these little teeth here. And these teeth, they look kind of like a bird's beak. You press this button, and that bird's beak lifts the lid off for you. And it's a nice smooth edge, so you're not gonna cut yourself, and it's a smooth edge here too. So if your pets get into it, they won't cut their faces either. So there's the first way to use it. The second way to use it is to open a ring top. And to do that, you come in and hook this under, and it just pulls the lid right off for you. So there you go. That's how you use your Pampered Chef can opener. Happy can opening, everyone.